Every part of our respiratory system, including the nose, throat, and lungs, is lined by mucous membranes. In order to trap and stop contaminants and dangerous bacteria from entering our systems, these membranes create a fluid that is rich in enzymes and antibodies. However, an excessive amount of mucus or phlegm can build up in the throat, sinuses, and nose. Further complications from this include respiratory infections, sinusitis, dysphagia, and other ailments. Let's learn the reason behind persistent mucus in your throat in today's video and what to do if it occurs. Number 1. Viral infections. Wintertime colds and flu can be brought on by viral infection, which are frequently indicators of weakened immune system. It suggests that your respiratory system might be fighting off a virus, which would be causing a variety of symptoms such as persistent nasal discharge, wheezing, and sneezing. Mucus from your continuous nasal discharge can build up in your sinuses and fall down your throat, giving you several problems including sore throats and coughing. Number 2. Acid reflux. You may be shocked to hear that persistent mucus or phlegm in your throat might be a symptom of an upset stomach or acid reflux. However, that is a fact. Bloating, gas, indigestion, and other symptoms are associated with acid reflux, often known as GERD. Whether your stomach is acidic or not, it tends to force the contents upward into your throat. It may eventually coalesce in the throat to resemble phlegm or mucus. Number 3. Allergies. Numerous environmental allergens, particularly those related to dust and pollen, can lead to an aberrant immune system activation, resulting in symptoms including watery eyes, coughing, wheezing, sneezing, and even chest congestion. There may be an accumulation of excess mucus or phlegm in your throat as a result of this protracted allergic reaction. Similar symptoms have also been reported by some individuals in response to intense perfumes or smells, as well as specific animals like dogs and cats. Not only that, but some food allergies can also result in symptoms that are comparable. The most prevalent allergies to food are those to wheat or gluten, dairy, milk, or lactose intolerance. Number 4. Post-nasal dripping. A further possible reason for persistent mucus production in your throat is post-nasal discharge. Occasionally, it may also occur as a result of certain dangerous bacteria growing out of control in your throat, sinuses, or nose. To shield itself from the effects of drugs and from human immune system, this expanded colony of microorganisms often forms a protective coating around itself. This may eventually set off a chain reaction that results in increased secretion from our mucous membranes. Furthermore, our white blood cells have a tendency to target our own cells in the throat or nose in an attempt to eradicate these dangerous infections. This can then make the whole thing worse and cause an increasing amount of nasal secretions. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video this far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Number 5. Some respiratory conditions. There are several respiratory disorders that are characterized by inflammation in the nose, throat, or lungs, including asthma, COPD, chronic bronchitis, cystic fibrosis, and pneumonia. Number 6. A dry indoor environment. When the throat becomes irritated by a dry indoor environment, it may produce mucus or phlegm to protect and moisten the throat. You may have worsening effects from a continuously dry indoor atmosphere when combined with other elements that we discussed in the video. Number 7. Dehydration. Low water intake can result in dehydration, which can dry out and irritate the body's mucous membranes. The body may create extra mucus in response to this in an effort to lubricate and shield these membranes. This may result in a sticky or dry mucus buildup in the throat, which may be misinterpreted for continuous mucus production. How to get rid of constant mucus in the throat? Let's now examine several effective methods and natural therapies that can assist you in clearing your throat of persistent mucus or phlegm. Number 1. Chicken soup. Regularly consuming chicken soup has been shown to be particularly beneficial in treating the symptoms of sinus congestion, common colds, and several respiratory tract infections. Furthermore, it can aid in reducing inflammation, which may lead to an overproduction of mucus. Number 2. Healthy drinks. Warm lemon water, herbal or caffeine-free teas, and diluted fruit juices are a few nutritious beverages that can help you stay hydrated and are rich in antioxidants and other beneficial nutrients that can lower your chance of becoming sick in the first place. Number 3. Avoid foods, drinks, strong fragrances, or smells. It's possible that you have an allergy to a certain scent of fragrance that makes your mucus worse. Wearing a mask might help you avoid being around pollutants like dust and smoke. Number 4. Avoid smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and caffeinated drinks. This often result in the body being dehydrated. This can also cause nasal passages to become dry, which can contribute to inflammation. Smoking tobacco, in particular, poses a serious risk to both your respiratory system and general health. Smoking tobacco excessively can lead to lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below if you have constant mucus on your throat. You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.